Hi guys, and welcome to another tutorial about Home Assistant. In a recent video I introduced how to create Google Calendar events based on events type and date. You can find the video's link in the description. This is a feature that I have been using for some time. I'm happy with it, but being linked to the Google Calendar integration, it suffers from a certain slowness in displaying the new events created. Thanks to the last Home Assistant version, December 2022 and February 2023, we can now use the Home Assistant calendar and create events directly in this local calendar without having to depend on Google. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to configure the local calendar and add new events without using the Google Calendar integration. Let's dive into this. Okay guys, first of all let me add the local calendar integration. Go to Settings, Devices and Services, add integration, local calendar, give it a name. Since I'm using this calendar to track the smart working days, I'm going to give it this name, smart working local calendar. Oops. Here we are. Now we have this new entity, and this is the entity that we have to use in order to show the new local calendar created and in order to add new events to it. So now come back to the dashboard and let me add the calendar card. This is the previous entity. Smart working. Wow. Now let's add the entities card to have all the tools on your fingers to be able to create events directly from the Home Assistant dashboard. Edit dashboard, add card, select the manual card, this entities card is composed of 3 different entities. The first one is this one that allows you to select the event type. The second one is the entity related to the date and time. And the last one is the action name called add event, this one, that allows you to call the script to be used to add the events to the local calendar. Okay, now the last step is to create the script that will be used to add the events to the local calendar. The script I'm going to create will be called every time you click just here. So go to Settings, Automations and Scenes, Script, add script, switch to YAML code, the code is super simple in the sense that the script is using the service calendar create event that is composed of the following fields: summary, that acts as the title of the event, and this is mandatory. The summary is provided by the events type field, this one. The start date is the date the whole day event should start and is provided by the events date. The end date as well is provided by the events date. The target is the target's entity for which the script will create the new event. Of course, in this case is the calendar smart working local calendar entity we have created before as soon as we have added the local calendar integration. Let's save the script now. Check the configuration. This is always an important step every time you add something to your configuration. And now come back to the dashboard just to do some tests. Well, let's go to create a new smart working event for this date, next Monday. Voila. Let's now create another event for next Thursday. Voila. Well, the procedure is quite easy. This is the code for the calendar card. This is the code for the entities card. And this is the code for the script. I hope this new tutorial gives you the chance to start using the Home Assistant's local calendar and that you enjoyed this video. For any doubts, do not hesitate to leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on all the new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.